Officer Zoe. I just figured I'd do this quick video here on this 2008 Dodge Charger. This is a police car that I've been driving around for the last, I'd say month. Like a highway patrol car. It doesn't have a spot in the back for like prisoners or anything like that. So this is a fairly interesting car though. It's seen better days, as you can see. It's in pretty rough shape. It's seen some things for sure. Not sure what that hole in the hood came from, but it's not a bullet hole, but it's a hole of some other kind. I mean, it is fast, but one of the things that sets this vehicle apart from, other Chargers, let me tell you something, the brakes, the wheels, and the suspension are amazing. We'll look inside real quick. Down in here would have been where your siren went. I'm not sure what this would have been for. Just standard radio, CD player, simple gauges. One of the things that's interesting about this though is you've got a column shifter, because there would have been a computer and equipment here, so you can't really have the shifter here. It's got so they move it over here just to stay out of the way of any equipment that's over here. And then of course there's a light here for writing reports and that sort of thing, and red for nighttime. Something was here, I don't know what that was, but it's a pretty standard car. The siren and lights have been removed. In the back, of course there's no way for you to get out of the back. The door handles, they don't work. Just a standard rear seat, leather seat, very comfortable. And one other thing is the battery's actually in the trunk, and it's a huge RV battery, like deep cycle. It's a awesome car. Seen a lot of things, very fun to drive. So, ready to go for a ride? Body roll, almost nothing. It feels like you're in a slingshot.